Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is your first time of coming across this channel. Please do make sure you hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my family. And if you already subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. All my returning subscribers, I say may God Almighty continue to bless you all for the love and support so far. So guys, what we going to talk about today? As I say I don't come back again, I always talk about Africa. Yeah, why I always come to talk about Africa? Because now wetin I dey based on experience, based on wetin I don see, that's why I always dey come back come dey talk say see wetin dey happen or see wetin dey happen. If you take a look at this my platform, I always dey talk about wetin dey happen and the advice. I always dey give advice for this my page. So na wetin I dey come dey do for this YouTube channel. So guys, wetin make me come out again today na be say I see one video. I go dey drop this video for una dey check am for dey talk. So I go dey drop the video una dey see wetin I dey talk about. So I see one video where one woman die. Say the woman die because he send money make dem take do something for am for house. So as he come go back house now, he see say dem no do anything for am. How person go suffer? Dem go come bring the money say una take help am do something. Wetin this person say una help am do? The thing una no go do am for the person. The thing dey happen. No be this one, no be once, no be twice. Wey be say I don see this video. I don see these things many times. Even when I still dey Nigeria that time, when I still dey back home that time, e get one man wey be say e come dey do barbing salon for near store where I for dey learn work that time. The man, they say, I always dey call am Jando. I call which man? Why dey call am? Why be say they call am Jando? Like guy name be that. They say the man when he dey Europe, he first go Europe before. When he dey Europe, he send money for house, make dem take build house for am, and he send money come make dem take make dem come still buy car keep for am. So if he come just come, he go come settle down. Na so he take send money for house. And so what they talk about, so his wife dey house, so his wife still join the family people do this particular thing where I dey talk. So and he forget say he get children for this man. He follow the family people do chop the man money. As he come chop the money, as the man come do everything. I know say some people say they don't want to stay again after they don't stay for year long, make they come go back house, come settle down. And so the woman take go back house. So as the man reach house now, he see say they no do anything for am. That is it. Nothing they do for am. The man come need to go start from the beginning again. That car, not only that car, the car will be say he buy come when they come. Car will be say he buy because if you don't drive, if you don't arrive for airport, car way from there say make you from there drive go house. Not only that car, na be the property where follow the man. Come out we don't spend how many years for Europe. Not only that car, na be the property where the man come carry come. As things come down, the car the man come fair go sell. Go use the car dey goes and start kerosene business, and the kerosene business no come go well. Later the man come say na barbing salon for come meet himself. Why be say family always do this kind of thing? Why be say they always dey do am? Why be say family people always dey do this kind of things? Why be say they do am? If you no fit trust your family member, na outside person you can't trust. I no understand. You dey fear say me outside person no eat my money, me I no come send money go give my people for house. See the same money give person where I don't know, like a friend things, may help me do something. May I will not come chop the money because they make you carry the money give family member, make the family member still help you do, and the same thing the family member will still chop the money. You give money give, carry money give your friend, you go chop am. Carry money give your family person, still you go still chop am. Why be say this one is just wickedness? Now wickedness, many people they do, and you go send money say make person dey help you do something. They will not go do what they no go do what for you. They will go they do their own. Some they go the money they go use do better thing for their self. Why you will get money wey say make they help you do something? They will do rubbish way for you. They go do rubbish something way for you. You go be say you bring money say This money wey I bring come, una help me say do so thing. The money wey you bring come, dem no go use am do wetin help dem, make you say make dem do. The money instead, dem go use am dey do their own. No be say before you bring, you say help dem do something, help me do something. No be say before you dey do something, you no say something give dem, or make dem fit get free mind stay follow you do something. Or no, dem go just prefer that your particular one, so make you say make dem take do something for you. They just depend. They decide, they just like that one, that particular one, they chop am. Make dem chop am, join the one place say make you say make dem use take do something wey for you. If you see how person dey suffer for Europe, if you see how person dey suffer for Europe, you no go fit send money come for you say help me take do something, you go chop am. I dey tell you honestly speaking, if you see how person dey suffer for Europe, if you see the styles and the pains and the struggle wey person dey pass through, the insult and everything wey person dey pass through for this Europe, you no go send money give you, go say help me take do something. Like say he trust you as him own, say make help me to do something. That money wey he give you say make you take do something for am, you go come chop am. If you see how person dey suffer, the difference between Africa and this na just the currency. Say the currency high, na be this. As dem dey suffer to earn money now, so dem dey suffer for here to earn money too. Dem dey suffer for here to earn money. Person go dey suffer dey work. Person go wake up early in the morning. Person go wake up early in the morning, say e dey go something. Go wake up early in the morning, go work, go suffer, go struggle. Say go make for take earn living, make for take do something, make for no come back house tomorrow. Now go see open mouth say Europe wey you don dey serve many years, wetin you don achieve. Person go still suffer say make e do something, make e fit achieve those things. At the end of the day, you go come suffer, bring the money come say make help me use am take do something. The money, you go come chop the money. You go say after all say una be blood. Make una take do something for the person now go come chop the money. The stress, wait, no say some people go come talk say they go come reach Europe now, they say they no go send money for anybody wey dey Nigeria, any of your relationship, any relative wey dey Africa. You no go come send money give them. That time they go come dey find pastor place where they wan go, make the pastor pray for so person. You don reach Europe finish, you don forget him family. I no dey blame those people for where, I no dey blame them. People say they come reach Europe finish, they don abandon their family, most of them. I no dey blame them. Na the wetin they don see, na the wetin make them dey reach Europe, they go come abandon the guys, they go just forget about their family. If you see how person, that's you know say before person enter Europe, person enter say he wan come Europe, he don put him life for 50-50, 50-70, 30-70. Either you live or you die. The desert, after you don pass through the hell of desert finish, come go pass through the beating where Arabu dey beat person like goat. They will come beat person finish. After all the stress and everything, come pass through all those things finish. Come still enter that road, enter that water, come cross, come reach Europe. Struggle continue. E no easy for Europe. No be say we Africa, we immigrants, we go just reach Europe like this. They just carry paper, they will just say na take, una go dey do wetin una like. Nah, e no dey like that. E no dey like that. We dey suffer for here just to earn a living. We dey suffer. We dey suffer. We say person go still suffer, bring money come for you, go say so something, help me do something for am. Una no go still do am. Abeg, if person bring something come for am, say make una help am take do something, make una dey do something for the person. Make una dey do something for wetin that person say make una dey do for am, make una dey do am for am. Also, most of them will ask me, say, why I thought, say, if some people that will bring, would say, well, when they will reach Europe, they will abandon their family and the sound the blood, will say, why I thought that, why I made that statement. Some people like this, before they enter this road, before they enter this Libya road of 18, so they will carry money, they will give their family members, say, help me hold this money. If I don't reach so place, help me send the money come. Why some go chop the money? As you chop the money, what you say make the person do? That is, even though the person want that make it die, they want kill and make them clear. What you say maybe that you don't abandon the person. For one person for don't know, you don't know anybody. You know, if family no dey there, papa no dey there, mama no dey there. If dey comot for him house, if dey comot for him family house, so that if we go outside, me for fit earn a living, me for fit still support you wey dey there. E go suffer, e go give you money, say help me also money. If I also place, send the money come for me. And you know, so that person, that money go need at that particular time. The person will come say me you send am money that time. Sometimes they no go even dey pick the person call again. You no go dey pick the person call again. You go block the person. You go chop the money. So the person go come spend how many years? How many years for Libya? Who know that is this Libya road of 18. Who know that is now wetin dey say who no go no know. Na be this Libya road of 18 wey I dey talk so. Who no go no know. If you say you don't pass Libya road, you die in the stress, the beating. Why me say many people die for that road? We say you still survive. If you see the suffer wey die, the person need to pass through for that Libya road. The person no fit carry money give you, go chop am. If you know the stress wey dey there, if you know the suffer wey dey there, if you know the how person take put in life in for risk to dey that place where e dey, you no go give you money say make you help am take do something. That money you go chop am. No, you no fit do that kind thing. The stress wey dey that road, the suffer, even stress even dey, you know say stress, but the suffer, the beating. Many people they don beat there for that road because that beat wey they beat dem no survive. Many of them they don start for that Libya road just to reach Europe. Many of them don reach Europe like this, they don die because of the starvation. We say they can't even get stomach ulcer, they don't get different sickness for their body. They don't get different sickness for their body. If you know wetin person dey pass through just to reach Europe, people will pass through Libya. Because this particular thing they talk, so people wey dey pass Libya, they will know wetin me dey talk about. If you know wetin person dey pass through just to cross that Libya road to reach Europe, you go die and you go pity us. You go pity people who say they pass Libya roads, come reach Europe, come suffer, come dey live the same. They give person help am take do something, the person come go chop am. If you know the suffer wey person dey suffer for road. If you know the suffer wey person dey suffer for road, sometimes we go reach Europe like this. Also, you go say we dey crazy, say you are crazy, because they say how we will risk our life enter that kind water with just blow. Like we call am lapa. Because you know they say wow, you say we dey mad, we know well how we go enter lapa, dey risk our life dey come. Yes, now we dey risk our life to go, so I go see our life go better. Life go better. You go suffer finish. You go suffer finish. Come carry the money give them, say help me take to so something. The money they go chop am. E get one boy, before the boy comot for house for Nigeria, he give me brother money, say make he help am hold am. If he don reach Libya like this, if he don reach Libya, make he brother send am to so money, he wan use am cross. As he wan cross like this, make brother send am money. Brother don use the money o. Brother wey dem give am money say help me keep. The brother come use the money. Na so e just be. You no even so go the money don make e find way make the brother take cross. So that is a just abandon him brother. The brother come suffer, spend how many years for Libya just to make for before he come fit reach Europe. He don reach Europe finish now. Brother don carry phone, don dey call am. Hello, send me money na. Make you send me money na. Find me small thing. Find me small thing. Person wey you abandon for Libya road, make you die, make you find you small thing. I wish you die for the Libya road. You know who you want call say make you find you small thing. We gonna dey do good, because we don't deserve another. If you do good for person go still get the mind to do good for you. We gonna dey do good. Do good for person. This thing not be once, not be twice. The other one give his time when say let me hold on. He this time chop the money. He chop am. When be say person go say me help am do something, the thing wey person say me help am do, no agree do the thing person say me help am do. What if man just chop once, man dey like wetin just dey urgent, man just chop am, man just chop am till dey hot. E come value sweet pass chigon. Sweet Sweet and sweet don dey sweet, but na chiko na dey last pass. You go chew am chew am chew am chew am chew am chew am, e no quick dey finish. But sweet, as you put am for mouth like this, you fit just put am like this, you go break am before you know it, e don finish. But that chicken, you go chew am chew am chew am. Na wetin be if you do good for person, if you do bad for person. That money you don chop am, so you don chop am, na it go be down. But that person wey you do good for, you go continue that. If you remember that day, that what you do for am, e go continue to, even though you no get to ask for am. Anytime wey that thing enter hand, you go like make e help you, because you help am when e dey in need. You go like make e help you, because that time wey e dey in need, you still help am. So make una dey do good. Make una dey do good for person. If person say ma help am do good, make do something, make una dey help the person dey do am. The video wey me dey talk about, the woman dey send money to go Africa make dem help am do something. The woman do after the woman don reach house now. You know, some people wan say they wan come stay house. That their documents they come give oyibo, say return am give them back, say they won't go back to house. Then they will come give them money. They will come use the money exchange the document. Maybe say the money be too big, go maybe 1,000 euros. Some will give them 1,000 euros, come give them back the document. They won't go house, come relax. After all, they for their mind say they don't achieve something. Maybe say they will go back house, come go face. For their mind say that thing they don't feel achieve something. Maybe say they won't just go house, make they come rest, because stress is just too much. Come reach house, see say nothing, that is nothing day. Say the people wey you give am money, wey you trust, give them money, say make dem help you use, they don't use the money. So the woman take reach house. So as the woman reach house now, see say the money they don't use am. And this thing wey I talk, so because of that stress, and that is because of the shock of this way people do, because of the shock, because of wetin the person do, wetin you no expect, because of the shock, na so the woman take die. Where she want for stop? Na small pikin dey kill. No be small pikin na. Where she want for start? Where she want for start? Then where she want for start? No be say she be pikin dey go say this one. Where she want for start? After all the stress, after all the suffer, just to make say if we do something for us, make she no reach house today. Because and say the travel wey you dey, since wetin you fit achieve. If you come reach your sense of everything, nothing dey, everything just gone. There's that they don't do anything for the person. That is, she no achieve anything. So the woman take go. Some of them they run mad. Some people they run mad. Some people they die. Some people say their head not just correct. They don't behave anyhow. Not because of another thing. Because say they give you money, make you take help them do something. As they reach that, no, that is, they not just think straight again. So people they not fit think straight again, because they die that shock of say they say may they send money, may they help them take do something. That's they not do am. I beg. And this opportunity they beg our brothers and sisters, even friends. It's not easy for me person to trust in you, come say may help and do something, you will come betray am. Use yourself as an example. If now you be saying, now use carry that something, say give person, say help me use and do something, the person no do, how will you feel? Use yourself as an example. That's why the Bible say love your neighbor as you love yourself. If you don't feel love your neighbor, you don't feel love your neighbor as you love yourself, you go come do that is what you know, say if they do to you, go pay, you go come do to your neighbor. If you love your neighbor as you love yourself, you know what you know, say that thing no good for you. You know if you like to go do it for another person. If you want to do bad to a person, they think about yourself first. This thing, if I do it to myself, how will I feel? If person do this kind of thing to me, how will I feel? I will feel happy. The thing will make me happy, or the thing no go make me happy. I beg. If person say help me do so thing, that person help and do one. Let that person get confidence in you. Let that person trust you. Because that person he trust for the first time. That's why I give you that money. Say help me do something. That person trust you. That's why I carry that something give you. Say help me do one. Let person get confidence in you. No they take money and buy anything because of money. That is now just look person like that. I beg. So my people, now I will for stop this video today. If you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. turn on the bell notification. Please subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be the first person to notify. Please help me to share this video, comment, like, subscribe. So guys, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.